It is a reality that unfolds in plain sight every day, yet often goes unnoticed. Across Kenya, the number of people living on the streets has become an issue of concern, with advocates warning that homelessness is growing faster than the country's response. They're now calling for coordinated action to restore dignity and create lasting pathways off the streets. Susan Mawero reports.
As Nairobi comes to life each morning, so does another day of uncertainty for thousands who call the streets home. For them, every sunrise is another search for food, safety, and the hope that tomorrow might be different.
Nilikuja kwa street 1994. Hata tunalalanga base. Hata ingine tunakaa hapa, serikali inatukimbiza, tunashinda tutaenda kupumzika wapi. Wanakuja na viboko, tukiwa na manguo zetu, ukitupatia manguo, saa ingine tukilala pale, wanakuja wanachoma zote.
Tuko kwenye miadarati tu wenyewe. Na si ati ni kutumia juu ya kutaka. Nile unaangalia unaona otherwise. Yaani unaona uko desperate tu, unaona tumia utumie nini? Ile kitu tu utatumia. Bora tu life is strong ama ni kukufa huko.
The story mirrors those of many others across Kenya, as organizations working with the street-connected communities warn that homelessness is no longer confined to major cities but is spreading across the country. In an event by Undugu Society, the official figures of street people in the country grossly understates the scale of the crisis.
We have official data indicating that we have 18,000 street-connected persons in this country, which is a departure from 2019, which indicated that we had 46,000 persons in this country. From where we sit, our experience and the interaction with the communities, we think there are more. In our estimation, is anything between 300,000 and 500,000.
Constitutional lawyer Professor Pielo Lumumba says acknowledging the extent of the problem is the first step toward solving it. Lumumba argues that rapid urbanization, poor planning, and fragmented housing policies are pushing more Kenyans into homelessness, warning that today's solutions could become tomorrow's crisis. Yet, amid the hardship, there are stories of transformation.
Nimepata kujisaidia kwa sababu hizo domat nilikuwa nauza. Inapata ka profit nakata kidogo na kula, kidogo na weka. Hivyo mpaka nikapata nyumba.
Mimi ni trainer kwa hiyo shule. So na train practicals na najituma sana.
The homeless agenda, that is a new discussion now, that from where we sit now, we must then also embed it as a conversation on how we can be able to go beyond the conversation about affordable housing to the existence of homelessness.
Stakeholders are now calling for stronger partnerships between governments, charities, faith-based organizations, and the private sector to tackle what they describe as a national challenge.
The government must have a clear policy position on the same, and those clear policy positions must be translated into coordinated action.
For thousands of Kenyans, the streets remain home, but today brings renewed hope that years of discussions will finally give way to meaningful action and lasting change. Susan Mawero, NTV, Nairobi.